Ever thought learning English could be fun? Let me show you how. Start with basic vocabulary and grammar. Make a list of English words and their Hindi meanings. Learn 10 to 15 new words daily and use them in sentences. Understand simple sentence structures first. Now, practice listening and speaking. Watch English movies, listen to songs, and talk to yourself in English. Reading and writing are next. Read newspapers and children's books, and write daily in a diary. Don't forget about language classes and online resources. Join classes or use apps to learn. Immerse yourself in an English-speaking environment. Connect online with English speakers and practice in real-life situations. Remember, patience and confidence are key. Practice role plays, use flashcards, and understand English culture. Keep at it, and soon you'll be speaking English fluently. Success is within your reach.